XB Marketing here with another video, and in this video I am going to show you a simple strategy that you can apply today and start making passive income promoting Clickbank products. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online with Clickbank, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and all that kind of stuff. So if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos as well. And for those who are serious about making passive income online, then make sure to check the first link in the description. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, it doesn't matter if you've never made a dime online. Everything you need is available right in this course. All right, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right into today's video. Okay, so what I'm about to show you right now is a simple method that you are going to apply with this website right here that says write.me. And don't worry, it's nothing complicated at all. I'm going to explain everything as we go. So basically, this website right here is an AI tool that helps you write any content that you want. Okay, all you just need to do is type in some keyword, and this tool is going to write the content for you. All right, as you can see right here, it says Writer is an AI writing assistant that helps you create high quality content in just a few seconds at a fraction of the cost. And like I said, this is a free tool. You don't even need to pay for the premium version at all. The free one is good enough. As you can see right here, right, over 4.9 out of 5 rating. Okay, so as you can see here, over 4.5 million hours have been saved for writing content. So basically, I'm going to show you how you can use this tool to make money online in conjunction with Quora. Don't worry, you are not going to be answering the questions yourself. You are going to be using this tool to answer the questions. So now the first thing you want to do, of course, is you want to grab a product. All right, so you want to go over to Clickbank and you want to head over to this marketplace section. And if you don't have a Clickbank account, you can go ahead to use Digistore24, or you can use JVZoo or any other affiliate network of your choice. All right, so once you're in your account, you want to head over to the marketplace section, and once you're in the marketplace section, you want to scroll down and you want to go to the e-marketing and e-business section. I'm going to be taking this category as an example, but feel free to implement this strategy in any other category of your choice. All right, so if you click on this, you want to click on this social media marketing. So once you click on that, you are going to see a bunch of products that you can start promoting right away on Clickbank. All right, as you can see, this product here says get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So literally it means you are going to make money using Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. All right, as you can see, this product here is going to pay you $37 per sale that you make from this product. All right, so there are other products that you can promote as well. As you can see, this one right here is going to pay you almost $70 per conversion or per sale that you make. All right, you can see there are other cheaper ones right here, and also there is another one here that's going to pay you $3 per sale you make. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this one right here as an example. Okay, so what you want to do from here, you want to click on this promote, and you want to click on this create uplink, and then you want to click on this copy. So once you do that, the next thing you want to do is you want to head over to Quora, because if we go back to this product right here, we are targeting those who want to make money online. As you can see right here, it says get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So what you want to do when you come over to Quora, you want to type in how to make money online. All right, so those are basically those who you are looking for and those who you want to sell this product to. Okay, so as you can see right here, there are a bunch of results for how to make money online on Quora. Okay, so basically what you are going to be doing, you are going to be answering all of these questions. Okay, and like I said, you don't need to answer this question yourself. You can use Writer to answer this question. So I'm going to show you an example of how to answer these questions. Okay, so as you can see, this first one here says, what is the easiest way to make money online? So what you want to do from here, you want to basically copy this question right here. So once you copy this question, you want to go to Writer, and also you need to create an account if you don't have one already. Okay, so once you come over to writer.me, you want to click on this start writing. All right, so I have an account already. So if you don't have an account, it's going to ask you to create an account, and don't worry, it's absolutely free to create an account with them. All right, so once you've created your account, this is what it's going to look like. Now you want to come over to this section that says choose use case. So you want to click on this, and you want to make sure you select this blog section writing. Okay, so once you select that, you want to paste in that question right there. Okay, so you want to remove this question mark, there's no need. All right, so what you want to do from here, you want to click on this write for me, and then you want to wait a few seconds for this software to write this the answer for you. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says the easiest way to make money online is by using affiliate marketing. You can start making money with affiliate marketing by signing up for a free account. All right, so I don't want to read all of this. As you can see, this make a lot of sense. Okay, so if you don't like this answer, you can basically come here and choose 2 variants or 3 variants if you want. All right, and it's going to generate more answers for you. So basically all you want to do is you want to copy this. All right, and then you want to go back to Quora, and you want to click on this first question. All right, as you can see right here, this is the answer right here. I mean, this is the question right here. What is the easiest way to make money online? So basically what you want to do is just answer this question right here, and that is literally all you need to do. All right, you can see there are other people promoting products on this page right here. You can see this question is answered recently. All right, answered March 22nd, and you can see this person is linking to a product right here. Okay, so if I open this product, I'm pretty sure it's going to be an affiliate product right here. So people are making money with this method. All you just need to do is take action and apply everything that you learn in this video. Okay, as you can see, so far this question has gotten 3.6k views, and I can guarantee you that some people who have seen this answer must have clicked on this link, and some of them would have purchased whatever this person is selling. Okay, so now the next thing you want to do from here, all you just need to do is to write an answer to this question. That is all. Okay, so you want to click on this answer button right here. Okay, and then you want to paste in your answer. All right, so literally all you just need to do is paste in the answer right here. All right, so before you answer the question, you want to come over to the top of your answer. You want to type in something sweet and something catchy. Okay, something like, I recommend you check out this method while it is still available. All right, so this is just to increase some curiosity right there, to make people click on that link and check out your affiliate link. All right, so you want to highlight this link right here, and then you want to click on this font icon. So once you click on that, you want to click on this link. Okay, so now you don't want to use your direct Clickbank link. So now you want to go back to your Clickbank to grab your affiliate link. All right, so you don't want to use this direct Clickbank link. So you want to click on this promote again and click on this create uplink, and then you want to copy this link. Then you want to go to tiny URL, and then you want to paste in the Clickbank link right here, and you want to click on make URL. All right, so you want to copy the URL, and you want to go back to Quora, and then you want to highlight this. You want to highlight this part of the page. You want to highlight this first line, and then you want to click on this link icon, and then you want to paste in the tiny URL, and then you want to post your answer. All right, as you can see, your answer has been submitted. So once you write your answer, you can also come underneath your first comment, and you want to paste in your tiny URL link again and click on add comment. All right, as you can see right here, once anyone clicks on that link, they will be taken to the affiliate product, as you can see right here. All right, so basically once they complete this quiz here, they are going to be taken to a page where they need to purchase this product, and if they do, you are going to get commission of $37. All right, so basically that is how you can start making money in passive income using Quora. Okay, so literally as you can see, this is just one question. this is just one question from those keywords when I typed in how to make money online. So if I type in how to make money online again, we are going to see a lot of related keywords. All right, so you can see there are a lot of keywords here, a lot of questions here that you can answer as well. So you want to apply this same method. All you need to do is copy the question. You want to copy the title of the question and you want to paste it in Writer, and it's going to write the answer for you. So literally all you just need to do is copy and paste the answer right here with your Clickbank link, and you can start making money promoting Clickbank products for absolutely free. All right, so that brings us to the end of this video, and if you find any value, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.